Hey everyone, welcome back to SebRauf. So in this video, I will be sharing few updated and the best method to fix Roblox error code 524 and that give you an error message not authorized to join this game. So make sure that you apply all the solution and by the end of this video, I'm very sure that your problem will be fixed. Now first thing what you will have to do, you need to bring up your Roblox player. Once it comes up, from the left hand menu option, you have to click on this three dot. In the circle, you have to click on it, then click on settings, then click on privacy. In the privacy setting, you have to scroll down to other settings. Make sure this option who can make me a member of their private server is being selected to everyone. So if it's been selected to any other option, just change it and make it to everyone. You can also try making everyone for the other two options. So select it and choose it to everyone. So once you are done, it will be automatically saved. Now the next thing that you also need to make sure that your account should be at least 30 days old, because many people who had a new account, they had a problem. So just make sure that your account should be 30 days old. And if this is not the problem, then what you will have to do, close your Roblox player, make a right click on the Windows icon, then click on Task Manager. Now make sure that the Roblox has been completely closed. So here in the list, look for anything related to Roblox. You can also search from the top. And if you find anything related to Roblox, then kindly go ahead and close it. So once the Roblox has been completely closed, click on your Windows search, type CMD, right click on command prompt and choose run as administrator. Then click on yes. The black window will be up. Now here we have to change the IP address. So for that, you need to type two different commands here that you will find in the description. You can also copy and paste. The first one will be ipconfig space /flushdns. Hit the enter key. Now the next one will be netsh space winsock space reset. Hit the enter key again. Now you can close it. Click on your Windows search again. Type ncpa.cpl. Hit the enter key. Now here you will find all kind of your network connection. Now you need to look for the one through which you are connected. It can be Wi-Fi or Ethernet. I'm connected with Wi-Fi, so I will make a right click on it. Then choose properties. Here you have to look for Internet Protocol version 4. Make a double click on it. Now here you have to choose the second option here that says use the following DNS server address. Now in the preferred, you can either use the Google or the Cloudflare. I'm using the Cloudflare. So it will be 1, 1, 1 and 1. And in the alternate, it will be 1, 0, 0 and 1. Click on OK. Click OK again. Close it. Now restart your computer and again try to open your Roblox. I'm very sure that your problem will be fixed. But in case still if you have the problem, then bring up the browser from which you access Roblox website. Like I access from the Chrome, so I will open it. Then you have to click on the three dot at the right in top. Then click on settings. Now from the left hand menu option, click on privacy and security. Now here click clear browsing data. It should be checked to basic. You have to select to advanced. Time range, make it to all time. Now here we have to delete the cached and the cookies. But I would also recommend that go and clear your browsing history and download history so that you can get the better performance in your browser. Okay, password and autofill form data you can uncheck. Another option you can keep checked. Then click on clear data. Now it will take some time depending that how much data you have. And once it's been done, again try to launch your Roblox and see if the problem has been fixed. So that's all guys for today. Let me know in the comment section which method worked for you to get the problem fixed. And still if you have any issues, let me know in the comment section and do not forget to like and subscribe. And I see you in the next video. Bye bye.